Hi, today I have a very interesting old ASSA padlock. There is no markings regarding the model or something else. There is something else. There is a C1114 marking on the padlock and on the key, and it's a pretty interesting shape. So very cool, old and very used lock. Here is the key. The beading it's okay, so short, long, short, long, short, somewhere in the middle, nothing special, but the key is working because it's pretty old and used one. It's catching a bit, but general is working. I needed to put WD-40, so it's now it's pretty dirty, and there is a black WD-40 from everywhere. Now there is a gap here, and I was thinking that I can disassemble it, but not this time, because this is for removing the shackle and changing the shackle. I think there is a pin here somewhere, so I don't know if you can see, but inside there is that pin. I think I need to drill it out so I can remove it and change maybe the pins, but I'm not sure that I want to do that. But yeah, it's a 7-pin lock. I want to pick this one. Come on, yeah, I'm totally sleeping, so I will using this, and I will using this fantastic pick by Jason Carlson, made by Jason Carlson. I think I'm always needed a deep hook for this kind of ASSA, and yeah, see how it goes. Maybe I will switch picks, maybe not. 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, nothing. No, 4, small click on 4, 5, click, and I'm in some small faucet. 5, small click from 5, 6, nothing, 7, click, and I'm in deeper faucet. 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, nothing, 5, nothing, 6. I think 6 is binding. Count rotation and click from 6. So let's start again. Now 1, it's binding, counter rotation, but it's a click from 1, counter rotation from 2, click from 2. Yes, and we're open. I think this is with the security pins, spools, or gin bottle like pins, but I don't think there is a counter mill on the core, but I'm not sure, maybe because it's so used and old, and that's why I cannot feel them. But anyways, this was my first, I think it's my first ASSA padlock picked. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.